Hey guys, if you're wondering how to change controller Deadzone in PS5, unfortunately there is no way available in PS5 right now by which you can change controller Deadzone. But fortunately many games give us the option to change controller Deadzone in the game. For example, if I open Resident Evil, go to options and select controller. Here we have the option Deadzone and sensitivity. So right from here we'll able to adjust Deadzone for left stick and right stick. It is that easy. But if your game doesn't give you the option to change Deadzone, then there are a couple of websites available in the market. You can basically visit them and calibrate your controller or change Deadzone. Like here I have this site DualShock calibration. You can simply connect, then just plug your controller to PC or laptop wherever you are accessing the site, and once you do that you're gonna see your controller over here. Simply select the controller and simply click on this option connect. That way you'll able to see the options to basically change the Deadzone of your controller. This is the alternate method you can use, but most of the time the game will give you the option to change Deadzone for your controller. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.